When you enter the gated courtyard of 907 Mariners Club, island time begins at the doorstep. Cross the threshold of this townhouse, and you'll first arrive at the ground floor living area. This space features a large flat-screen TV and a sleeper sofa. Additionally, there's a foosball table and a beautiful wet bar, making it a great spot to enjoy with friends and family after a day of activities. Step out the back door to the open-air patio. The warm and inviting bedroom on this level includes a king-size bed. There is also a tastefully designed guest bathroom nearby. The laundry room is conveniently located on this floor as well. A flight of stairs leads to the main living area on the second floor, featuring a comfy sectional sofa and a large flat-screen TV. The screened-in balcony is surrounded by tropical hardwoods, providing a serene outdoor space. With an open floor plan, there is plenty of room to spread out. The dining table comfortably seats 6, making it perfect for meals together. The well-equipped kitchen boasts a double oven, stainless steel appliances, deluxe custom cabinetry, and granite countertops, all with an open sightline to the dining area. On this level, you'll find the master bedroom, which includes a king-size bed and a private entrance to the screened-in patio. Relax in the master ensuite bath, featuring a double vanity, a large tub, and a private water closet. There is also another guest bedroom on this level, furnished with a queen-sized bed. Connected is a shared ensuite full bath. If you are looking to create a special vacation rental experience from start to finish, look no further. Contact Bare Feet Vacation Rentals today.